All right, this year we're going to CES 2026. Join us for full coverage. We're going to have live features. Not only that, interviews, reviews, and other things. So stick around, and I hope you guys subscribe, hit that like, and see us at CES 2026. All right, so this is the motherboard that we currently have. And if you scroll down, let me accept this. If you scroll down here, it's going to tell you where to get the BIOS. You go to BIOS in here, and right now we have 30.30, so we're 2 behind. All right, so then what you want to do is download from here, global, not China. We download from global. Make sure you install it, unzip it, put it in a USB that's formatted FAT32, and put it into your drive. And we're going to show you the next steps. All right, for the motherboard, I just plug in the USB, download the latest driver. Right now we have 3.30. So what you want to do once you set up the driver, make sure you format it and install it. Go to tools, and you guys see instant flash. You say yes, follow this instruction, say yes again, and then automatically found it saying that we have the 350. So update it. Are you sure you want to overwrite? Yeah, we got nothing to hide, we got nothing to lose here. It's brand new. So let it run. It's doing its magic. It's gonna reboot. I have to go into BIOS again if it starts up. It takes a couple seconds, minutes maybe, and there it is. Now it's flashing, and it's the process. It's gonna take a bit, so I'll come back when it's finished. All right, it's concluding the last part of it. Right now we're at 57% right now, and it is working really slow, but it's just a process. And look at that, just like that, 3.50. By the time you're watching this, it's probably going to be a higher version of it, but overall the motherboard is running really well, quiet with the actual fan that I install. I am very impressed how fast this thing is, and to be honest with you, I am going to install a better video card right now, but right now we're testing it out. We're doing some testing with this, and if you guys are looking for a nice little ITX motherboard, hey man, this could be it for you. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.